I love the community because I met the coolest people or women in this community. So, yeah. So, I transferred my creativity. What will I do? Aside from watching Netflix. You know? So, sabi ko, sige, ibuhos ko lahat sa content creating. I research ano yung trending, ano yung ginagawa ng ibang content creating. Pero ano siya, connected to art pa rin. So, yun. And then when I got healed, balik ulit ako sa painting and art. And then the doctor said, sabi ko, Doc, after injection, pwede na akong mag-paint bukas. Sabi niya, good luck. Kasi 5 days pa yan. Totoo naman, 5 days. Because parang feeling mo naka-vaccine ka, the whole arm. So, yeah. So, I'm grateful for you guys. So, si Krista dati, kwento ko lang. Si Krista dati, fina-follow ko lang sa Instagram yan. Before I met her sa Money Festival. So, when I saw her sa Money Festival, sabi ko, oh my God, I really have to approach her. I really want to have a picture with her. So, ganyan. I'm grateful. I even told Kimi before na I love the community because I met the coolest people or women in this community. So, yeah. That's all.